Hey guys, Luke is here. So today I have a 2009 Saturn Aura XS no XR. So customer complained he has a noise from the front. So when I drive it around the parking lot, and it sounds like this. I think this is front brake, so its front brake is bad. So when you hear this, your car needs brakes. Okay, now let's go drive around. So let's hear the noise. So here we go. 2009 Saturn Aura, I don't know how you pronounce it. XR. So around parking lot. Metal to metal, that is not good. So when you driving a car and it sound like this, when you step on the brakes, and it sound like this, that means you need the brakes to work pretty good, really bad. I mean, it's metal to metal right now. It's not supposed to be metal to metal. You want to keep your car minimal as possible to metal because it might ruin your caliper down the road. Like this car right here, I don't know if the caliper gonna be bad or not. So please, when you hear your brake squealing, please bring it to a shop and check it out, so you don't have to spend more than it's supposed to be. If you have any question regarding your car or your car repair, I have a Q&A every week. The link down in the description. Please click the link and it will show you how to register for this Q&A. I will see you there. They have to buy a new caliper or two caliper. I usually replace them both because I don't replace them one side at a time. So it's not good because the good one is working really well and the old one working like pretty bad. So it's not working quite as good as the new one. So I'm gonna bring this car to a shop and back to the shop and inspect the caliper, and I will see you there. So these two front tires are cracked, so I gonna recommend two new tires on the front. There's also a crack on along the thread, and it's low on the thread anyway. So also a crack on the sidewall from the inside, from the outside too. Let's check the DOT for this one. The tire is 15, so it's 7 years old now. I think the car's been sitting or just being so this one 15 too, so week 28 and of 2015. So two new tires for this car, and the back one is 18, so it is good. Only 4 years old. Okay, let's check the front brakes. Wow, look at that. It's metal to metal right there. That's what you heard during the test drive. So it's not supposed to be metal to metal like that, and it should be shining similar from the outside rotors. Same thing with this one too. Outside is shining. Got some scoring. So please do not drive your car to metal to metal. If you hear any squealing noise, please bring to the shop. So you can know your status of your front brakes or any kind of brake, front brakes or rear brakes. Metal to metal is not good. It limits the stopping power and might ruin something else.